given in the question bank by CBSE. So we'll be solving whole question bank starting from chapter 1, case study 1. Question is to enhance the reading skills of grade 10 students. The school nominates you and two of your friends to set up a class library. There are two sections, section A and section B of grade 10. There are 32 students in section A and 36 students in section B. So this much information is given to us, 32 in section A and 36 in section B. Now first question is, what is the minimum number of books you will acquire for the class library so that they can be distributed equally among students of section A or section B? Now minimum number of books you require, that means we have to find LCM. LCM of 32 and 36. Okay, so we'll use the prime factorization method here. 32 we can write as 2 power 5, right? And 36 we can write as, if you do the prime factorization, it will be 2 square 3 square. Now because we know 4 nines are 36, 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. 32 also you can find by using prime factorization. Like this we can do, and we can write in power form. Okay, so 2 power 5. Now LCM, to find LCM, we know we use for the common element. For the common element, since 2 is the common, we take the highest power, 2 power 5, and then 3 square. So we write the highest power of all the element involved. Okay, this is by the definition. So 2 power 5 means 32 into 9. So if we multiply this, we will get 288. Okay, so 288 is the minimum number of books that are required. Now, if product of two positive integer is equal to the product of HCF and LCM is true, so that relation HCF, LCM, A into B, this relation is defined here. Then HCF of 32 and 36 we should find. HCF we should find. Okay, so 32 into 36 divide by LCM will come. And in first question we found LCM, that is 288. So to avoid or to save our time, we can write 32 as a prime factorization as we wrote in question 1. Same number we can utilize here also. 2 square, 3 square. And 288 also we will write in prime factorization form, which we wrote in question 1 already. 2 power 5, 3 square. So what will happen? There is no need of reading the table of these many large numbers. We can directly cancel here. So final answer will be 4. So here B option is correct option. Moving to next question. 36 can be expressed as a product of its prime as, just now we saw 2 square into 3 square. So this is the correct option. Fourth is, this number is a. Now see, if you observe this number, this 15 we can take common. So if you take 15 common, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 1. Okay, now since it is MCQ, you want to solve within less number of time, don't multiply this. Okay, because if you multiply and you add 1, you will get one number. So 15 into that number will come, right? Now 15 is product of 5 into 3. 15 is not a prime number. Okay, and it is the part of this whole number. So if you get any number here, factors will be 5 as well as 3 as well as many more will come according to this number if you multiply and get the answer. No need to check, because here only we got 2 factors. We know prime numbers have only one factor, means including 1 and that number itself. Okay, so we got, other than these numbers, we got 5 and 3 also. That means it cannot be prime number. Okay, it cannot be prime number, so it must be a composite number. So answer will be composite number. Without solving completely also you can write. P and Q positive integers such that P is AB square and Q is A square B, where A and B are prime numbers. So LCM we should find. Prime factorization, fundamental theorem of arithmetic we will use here again. These are the common elements. Highest power of this we should write. So A and A square we will write A square. Between B and B square we will write B square. Okay, so A square B square is our answer. Always remember LCM is highest power of the factor involved. And HCF is lowest power of the common factor. Lowest power of common factor. So for the same question, suppose if they ask HCF between A and A square, lowest power is A, into B and B square, lowest power is B. So HCF would be AB. Okay, so this definition we should know to find the HCF and LCM.